So the step number 1 is to create your class. As you can see, I have a lot of classes, and before I had nothing here, so create a class. Click on it, give a name, for example, EVO19. Enter the description if you would like, for teachers. And you can allow other members to add sets or new members, or you can click it out so nobody can do it. Select a school if you would like. Also, you can select another school. Maybe you work in different schools. And then you click Create Class. So here we go. And as you can see, we created the class named EVO19.